Kia has unveiled its first all-electric sedan, the Kia EV4, offering a new perspective on electric mobility. The EV4 is available in two versions. This video provides a quick look at the car's key features. With each new model, the Kia EV4 embodies the brand's commitment to innovation, with a design inspired by Kia's unity of opposites philosophy. This unique approach blends futuristic aesthetics with unconventional design, redefining the traditional dimensions of electric sedans. The result is a captivating car that sets new standards in its class. The EV4's interior is both intuitive and premium, with a range of features designed to enhance convenience and comfort. Highlights include a panoramic triple screen that consolidates essential driving information, relaxation seats that offer superior comfort, and smart storage solutions to keep the cabin organized. For those who enjoy the thrill of driving, the EV4 doesn't disappoint. The cabin is equipped with a stylish steering wheel, a gear selector integrated into the steering column, and a sporty aluminum pedal set exclusive to the GT line trim. The Kia EV4, as depicted, presents a sleek and modern design with clear dimensions. From the side profile, the vehicle has an overall length of 4,450 millimeters, featuring a wheelbase of 2,820 millimeters. The front overhang measures 820 millimeters, while the rear overhang is 810 millimeters, contributing to its balanced stance. From the rear, the EV4 has a width of 1,860 millimeters. The vehicle's height is shown to be 1,485 millimeters, giving it a somewhat compact yet substantial presence. These dimensions collectively suggest a versatile and spacious interior within a streamlined exterior. The Kia EV4 is available with two distinct electric powertrain configurations, both designed for efficiency and performance. The first option features a 58.3 kilowatt-hour battery paired with an automatic 4x2 drivetrain, delivering 150 kilowatts, 204 horsepower, and starting at 38,290 euros. For extended range, a larger 81.4 kilowatt-hour battery is also available with the same 4x2 automatic configuration and power output, starting at 42,890 euros. Both versions provide a powerful, quiet, and smooth driving experience, making the EV4 an attractive option for anyone considering an electric vehicle. Beyond its impressive powertrain, the EV4 offers three distinct trim levels to cater to diverse preferences, all accommodating 5 passengers. The Air trim serves as the practical and stylish entry-level option. Stepping up, the Earth trim focuses on enhanced comfort and a wider array of features. For drivers seeking a more dynamic and performance-oriented aesthetic, the GT line trim offers a sportier experience. The EV4's presence is immediately felt through its vertical headlights and bold front-end design, which give it a confident, forward-looking identity. Its sleek and dynamic profile is enhanced by a distinctive vertical C-pillar trim, known as the Targa, which adds a touch of contrast while emphasizing its muscular proportions. At the rear, the sporty roof spoiler and sloping rear window create a sense of fluidity and athleticism, making the Kia EV4 as dynamic as it is elegant.